Meaning of high profile.
High profile.
High profile.
High profile.
High profile. The term high profile typically refers to someone or something that has a significant level of public attention or interest, often due to their celebrity status, controversial actions, or involvement in a major event. Such individuals or events may be widely covered by media outlets and may generate strong opinions or emotions from the public. A high-profile person or event may also attract a significant amount of scrutiny or criticism. Overall, being considered high-profile can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the context.